Good morning, everybody. My name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side, and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, we got something very brand new for you. This is the 2024 Kona Limited all-wheel drive. The fancy name for this color is Denim Blue Pearl. It's a very nice color. Never seen it really before. It's going to be for the Kona lineup. This vehicle has grown quite a bit, about 6 inches in overall length. Really nice amenities on the vehicle. You got your sonar sensors in the front and the rear. First time for a Kona. You'll have a power tailgate as well on the vehicle. Right now it's running, so it doesn't want to open for me. But good looking car overall. 1.6 turbo 4-cylinder in it. Same engine we've loved for years on the Kona. Interior is drastically different on the vehicle. Something new for the new age, basically. This is what the interior kind of looks like. Really liking like the brush metal effect they have on the vehicle for you. This is the new interface for the cluster. It's kind of what your dash there looks like. And they've moved to the gear selector from the Ioniq 5 and 6. This one's a little bit chunkier, but it's still got the P on the end for you. Center display here. Kind of that brush metal aluminum look here. Buttons are just, feels good to touch it at the end of the day. Dual climate control. Then you have down here, which is interesting. This is new for us. So you have the one USB-C port right here. And then depending on which you want to do, so if you want to use CarPlay, you can kind of plug in there, I'm assuming. And this is just a charge option. Secondary USB-C port here for the passenger. This is a push open. New button types there for us. And then you have your wireless charging mat that will kind of sit right here in the center of the vehicle for you. A little bit lower down, heated, cooled seats. Yeah, first time on a American-based Kona. We have cooled seats and a heated steering wheel as well. Parking sensors again. And you also have the 360 camera arrays on the vehicle for you. And that'll kind of show up like this. Really nice fidelity and everything on the car. We do have a couple buttons here, so it's got that kind of 360 view on it. Again, just very smooth and fluid. Kind of getting the Kona caught up with the new age. This is the new interface they have on the vehicle shipping out. Nice iconography and everything. We're going to explore these in more detail as time goes on. This is a new one with Hyundai CarPay, so you can actually use your car to pay for things, which is nice. If you guys have any questions or concerns, if you want to stop by, take a look at this one, and you're in the Southeast region, let me know. 603-858-4511. Again, my name is Cash. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.